How's it, guys? Welcome to the first video of this YouTube channel. Right now I'm sitting in my 2019 rav4 XLE all-wheel drive, and I just got this thing maybe about a week ago. So today I'll be teaching you how to install interior LED lights. I got these LED lights from Amazon for less than $20, and I believe the brand is Auto Genie. So the reason why I'm going with the LED lights is because the stock lights that come in the rav4 is pretty weak. Yeah, so I'll be installing these interior LED lights. Let me just unbox it for you real quick. Comes with this tool, this pry tool to pry off the covers of the lights. Obviously it comes with the LED lights. This one comes with 8 pieces, and then I have the instructions right here. Alright, so these are the LED lights that it comes with. 7 of these guys, and then 1 dome light. So yeah, I'm gonna start the install right now and teach you guys how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is you want to grab the pry bar, and you want to pry the light cover from this side of the light. So I was playing with it, and it is kind of hard to take off, so just give it a little power, a little mana, and it should come right off. Oh, there it is. So that's one side. Oh, and there you go. So it comes off just like that. Alright, so once you guys take off the light cover, here is where the bulb is, and this is the bulb right here in my hand. When you're doing this, you're going to be able to see that you can rotate it to the right, but you don't need to do that. Hey guys, so my bad, I lied to you. You do want to rotate the bulb holder to the right because it'll give you more leverage to pull the bulb out. Just be careful, because once you rotate it to the right, the holder is able to go into the hole, and you might lose it in the hole. I also rotated the bulb holder to the right on this one, but I thought you were able to get away with pulling out the bulb if you just left it locked in. Once the bulb is out, rotate the holder back to the left, and you should be able to push in the new LED lights. And there you go. Both light covers are back on, and you can see how bright it is in the rav4 now. Next is going to be the mirror light, or the vanity light. Alright guys, so for the vanity light, I found that it was best to pry it open from the right side of it. And then once you have the light cover open, there is a little like notch right here, and you just pull that back and pull down. It's kind of hard to do it with one hand. Oh, there you go. So there's a notch right here. You pull this back, and then you pull down, and you're able to take out this whole assembly right here. And then have better leverage on the bulb, and it should come out just like that. And before you put back on the light cover, just make sure that it works. So here is a before, and here's the after. A lot brighter. Alright guys, here's a view from the back seat with all 4 LED lights installed. Super bright, super sick. Next is this dome light. Alright guys, so for the dome light, I had to resort to this little flathead that I have right here, because the pry bar that came with the lights is really flimsy. So I had to resort to this, and the spot where I hit it, or the spot where I pried it out of, is right here in the bottom, and then it popped off just like that. And yeah, I'm just gonna replace that. Alright, and that's it right there with the LED light installed. This part right here is probably gonna get loose, so all you gotta do is push it back in to add pressure onto the LED light. And yeah, that thing's freaking bright. Alright, last but not least, you got the trunk light. I'm just starting to use my little mini flathead because the pry guy, or the pry tool, failed me. Alright, so as you guys just saw, prying it from the left side worked the best. And to take out the actual light cover, you need to pry right there. And then you'll be able to pull this little housing guy out from right here, just like that. I already took out the stock bulb, and then in goes the LED. With one hand, shit's hard. Oh, there you go. Boom. Turn it on. Alright, and then put everything back together. Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap up today's video. I highly recommend these LED interior lights. They make a huge difference to the lighting of your car, and they're, you know, less than $20. So yeah, if you're interested in the lights I got, I'm gonna put the link in the description. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're looking forward to more rav4 or Raven, that's her name, content, then consider subscribing, because I have a lot more mods that I want to do to this car. Let me show you these right now. I got these aux beam fog lights that I'm going to install in the next video. Look out for that one. And then let me show you something real quick. Those, yeah, that's all I'm going to say. So yeah, if you're looking forward to some more Raven content, consider subscribing. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And shoots, have a good one.